Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to InfoComm 2017. We're here once again on the NEC Display Solutions broadcast set. It's stand 1600 if you want to find us. Very excited to have a Crestron guy with us today, Dan Jackson.
How you doing?
And how are you doing, Dan? We're good. You are Director of Enterprise Technology Solutions.
Yes, correct.
You've been with Crestron for quite some time now.
Yeah, this is almost 12 years.
You're based in New Jersey.
Yes, we're
and
based.
You're born in New Jersey?
Yes, born in New Jersey, raised, went to school in Chicago, and then came back.
Okay. So what do you think of this InfoComm then? How's it been for you? It's day two.
It's a great show. Our booth is incredibly packed right now, and
it's booth 1900,
yes.
2 doors over from NEC.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Our audience can't see that bit, but it's to the left. It's over there somewhere.
Yeah, so the show's been great for us. We're showcasing a lot of new solutions that have been introduced over the last 5 months. Just getting some great feedback on those.
There's a big sharing message on your stand. Tell us what that's about.
Well, so what we're really promoting in that part of the stand is the Mercury product, right, which was introduced at ISE in February and started shipping in May last month. It's really an incredible product.
So you announced it. This is good timing for you. You announced it at ISE in February.
Yep.
Then you ship it in May. And then you can actually show it having shipped in June at InfoComm. Wow. Yeah. The gods, the exhibition gods are shining for you guys, aren't they?
It worked out that way, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, honestly, that product has been through a longer test cycle than anything else we've done, so it's been in that sort of ready, but we're not going to ship it till we do everything to it.
To the US people, I mean, no, I can't phrase this necessarily the correct way, but ISE's become very global.
Yes.
You know, it is a big show for Crestron. They're a big part of the show. 70,000 people. I mean, you must have this great situation where the North American people who don't go to ISE are just waiting to see the Mercury product, and they can only see it when they come to InfoComm.
Right, it's great. I mean, and they're not, they're almost offset by half a year, right? So you can make introductions at ISE, you can showcase them to the European folks. So there isn't a lot of crossover of attendees, even if the manufacturers, of course, go to both. But then 6 months later, you can do another big update at InfoComm.
Right, that's cool. That's the main thing. What about the other stuff you got on the stand?
So we have that. We introduced a new product called Freeform, which is a solution designed for these open space areas. In the modern workplace, when not everything is a room anymore, there's there's not 2 types of rooms. There's now 20 different types of spaces that people use. It's a great solution for that. And then we have our NVX.
What does that do? How does it work? Explain.
So it integrates wireless presentation with wired presentation, some digital signage capabilities, remote monitoring and management, occupancy sensing, and utilization tracking.
That's called Freeform.
That's called Freeform.
Okay, and the other one you were going to mention?
NVX.
NVX.
So NVX is our IP video distribution solution. So you can take a 4K 60, 444, ultra high quality signal, send it over a gigabit network, and use that to just distribute and create a massively scalable system.
Right. Now, InfoComm for you, you've been with Crestron for 11 years, so that means you've been to InfoComm 11 years.
Yeah, or this would be my 12th, right?
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
What's the changes you've seen in those 12 years?
I think the number of end users that come to this show has just steadily increased. I don't remember the exact numbers, but I think at this point it's 30% or more, right? So as you watch as the number of end users increase, technology managers are taking a much more integrated role in decision making, right? So the lines of communication to end users are much more significant than they used to be, right? There was a manufacturer to integrator communication, and then there was integrator to end user communication 10 years ago. Now there's all 3 of us sitting around the table, talking together, working together to build these things. And I think that collaborative approach of everybody working together just makes it that much better.
Now, ISE and InfoComm must be your 2 biggest shows these days. Now you've pulled out of because you pulled out of CEDIA last year.
Correct.
What other things do you do throughout the year to keep in touch with your customer base?
So we have a large number of showrooms around the globe. So we have design center showrooms for a lot of our residential style solutions in Beverly Hills, in Manhattan, and Miami Beach.
You got one in New York?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then we also have bigger showrooms that showcase all of our corporate solutions as well. And we have those showrooms across the country and around the globe. We have there's not a showroom in every office, but we have 90 offices around the globe. So there's a lot of different places that people can go to work with and really see.
Because people who use Crestron are a little, in a way, they're people who are like Apple fanboys. People love the Crestron thing. Once you're into it, that's
we
it.
Hope, right?
Well, they do. You've got this whole, I don't know, how many accredited developers or programmers have you
Oh, I actually don't know that number off the top of my head. We have about 7,000 integrators that are Crestron dealers.
But they are so passionate about your products and your firm.
Yeah, and we actually had a master's class. We did it. It's grown so big, the master's class for our programmers. We held it right next to the Crestron headquarters 2 years ago. We've now had to move it over to the Mohegan Sun, which is a major casino/hotel in Connecticut.
To fit everybody in.
Exactly. We had over 800.
I told you, it's Apple.
Exactly.
It's the same thing. That's amazing.
You know, it's like WWDC for Apple.
Yeah, for sure.
We have masters for Crestron, and it really has grown to that scale. I mean, basically, you know, our engineering and technology management department shuts down for 3 days while we go put on this whole event.
That's really nice to know.
There's 800 masters programmers that are there.
Okay.
So it's
well, I can't let you come on the show without asking you the question everybody wants to know is how can people get to the big Crestron event tonight then?
You got to know a guy who knows a guy, right?
That's the thing. So how many people
challenge,
get to? Crestron's well known for its parties.
Yes.
How many people are you expecting tonight?
I would say 2,500 or so.
Oh my goodness,
it's pretty good. I mean, and the band we had last year, the Royal Machines, a great band.
You got them back?
Yes, same band again this
brilliant.
year.
Okay.
It's gonna be a really good show. And even honestly, I don't know all of the details yet, so I'm kind of eagerly awaiting.
Okay. Well, this is why, Dan, we had you on today, not Friday.
Everybody will be a little bit rougher on Friday.
So. Good. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.